Hey folks, it's Todd with Survival Sherpa out at the cabin again. So we're this is a pretty decent run for a, they're about 10 foot, a little over 10 foot runs on these floor joists, these log floor joists. Even though they're logs and they're pretty thick, I've decided that I want to shore these up. And I was going to run a girder from through the middle underneath to help support them, but I decided it's got to be an easier way to do that. And so what I've done is I just put some rocks underneath each one on the midline point, cut some cedar, and for instance that one right there that I just put in is 7 inches from the rock up to the bottom of that floor joist. Okay, so that's what I'm planning on doing. So I've got 4 more to do, and I will shim. I'll cut me some shims to put under there and make sure that everything's snug, and then we'll call it good. But that should do it. That should make sure that there's no bounce or anything in the floor. This is Eastern red cedar, and it's not really a cedar, it's a juniper. But it's a beautiful wood, and that's what I use for the posts up underneath the floor joists. And so I'm going to take these and make some wedges or some shims out of them to, you know, slide up in under there and make sure they're good and snug and that we're not moving anywhere. Got my paring ladder, and got it set back up. Instead of using it to lift logs with them, I'll set it back up and get some of these trimmed down.